Is this the spread of cultural terrorism? Vishwarupam, there is a stay on it in Tamil Nadu till the 28th of January. But look at the backdoor ban both in Karnataka and in Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, the film is facing a backroom blackout. Distributors in Andhra Pradesh have decided not to screen the film in some theatres in Hyderabad on the occasion of Miladul Nabi. Police sources say that they've asked theatres located in sensitive localities to hold off the screening, at least for now. Joining me now from Chennai is Priyamvada, Mridula from Hyderabad, and Pratibha Raman joins me from Bangalore. Coming to you first, Mridula, why this backdoor ban in Andhra Pradesh?
Well, it's not even that. What the situation has changed since morning. In fact, Gaurav, there's actually one screening of the movie today in the morning, but in the 11 o'clock show, the movie was stalled midway, and all the people who were watching the movie were actually asked to vacate the theatre, and they were apologized and told that the further screenings of this movie will be stopped. This was not done by the police. In fact, police had come to the theatre, but it's the theatre authorities who seem to have taken this decision voluntarily. With me are the people who were actually watching this movie. Tell me what happened. You were watching the movie. What happened in the interval?
I watched the first half. At the interval time, I just went out to get some food, and when I was returning, I was told that the movie has been suspended. It was so depressing that it was a very beautiful movie, excellently carved and very nicely taken. And imagine how it would be if you were posed with question marks and were left with no answers at the end of the day. That's the position is right now.
The answer sheet was in the second half is what he wants to tell me. There was a lot of controversy surrounding it. People are raising questions and objections. Did you find anything objectionable in the half the movie that you watched, and what would you have to say on that?
After watching half of the movie, there is nothing related to our country in this first half, and apparently we didn't find anything such objectionable or hurting the feelings of any section or group of the audience. And at the end of the day, Kamal did this movie for the world audience.
Okay, so nothing hurting in the first half of the movie. What's the latest in Bangalore, Pratibha?
Well, so far many of the theatres here too have actually decided not to release the movie, considering that today also happens to be a festival that's being celebrated by the Muslims. That is one. Number two is many of the small-time theatres claim that they have been running into trouble with the distributors, and that is also another cause for not having released the movie. But then certain theatres, like the one that I'm standing right now, have actually gone ahead and released the movie. The first screening was done at 1:15, and there were a whole lot of fans here who were waiting with bated breath, and they've actually gone in. But then suddenly they've decided to cancel all the other shows. The 4 o'clock show has now been cancelled, and then many of the other theatres have also closed down. In fact, there were preparations for right now I hear news that the show has been stopped, and many of them are screaming inside for continuing the screening of this film. So we can actually hear many of them shouting inside, and I guess slowly people will be walking out, and the rest of the shows have also been stalled. That is what we're hearing the latest
that's the level of fear, is it, Priyamvada? You've spoken to Chandra Hasan, you've been speaking to Kamal Haasan. What is it that they are saying at this point of time?
Well, at this point of time, the biggest challenge before Kamal Haasan, Chandra Hasan, is the loss that they are going to face. It's a 100 crore movie, and by not releasing the movie in Tamil Nadu today, and also by stopping the screening in Hyderabad and Bangalore, they are incurring a loss of 30 crore rupees. And if this ban continues for another 1 week, they'll be incurring a loss of around 75 crore rupees, which is almost 75% of the entire budget of the movie, which would be a huge hole in their pockets. So Kamal Haasan apparently is very, very upset. He's right now in LA. He just finished the premiere of the movie there, and apparently there's been very good response. What I'm hearing now, what Mr. Chandra Hasan also confirmed is, as soon as Kamal Haasan comes back to India, there are chances of him going and meeting the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister personally and holding talks. Also, Gaurav, a while back, Rajinikanth has given a piece of advice to Kamal Haasan. He's basically said, why don't you sit with the community leaders once again? Why don't you think of reworking some portions which they feel is objectionable?